But for a while, I think broadcasters have been looking for a different kind of production space. We're used to building big, heavy, monolithic studios, but now with more podcast and non-linear content, people want a different kind of space to produce from, and they haven't really known what that is. So we're suggesting that perhaps that might be what we call the table, or BionicTable. The minimum a studio could be is a physical table, something to put your stuff on, and a place to tell your story around. And on that table you need 4 microphones and 4 headphones, and that's it. So when we walk away, there's no computer in here. There's actually just a very simple,
there's got to be some hardware, right?
Little audio edge device. Single cable from that, so that's power over Ethernet. So these 4 microphones and the 4 headphones all plug into that one box. And then everything to turn this into a complete radio and production studio is done in software on a virtual machine. We arrive at the table, we bring our iPads, and then here I have an interface, and this interface turns this table into a complete broadcast studio or podcast production space. So maybe there's just the 2 of us, so I drag my microphone and your microphone down.
Okay.
But maybe you want to bring a network audio source from somewhere else on our Livewire or AES67 network, so let's bring a couple of external sources in. Let's drag an audio file on, and that will automatically be normalized, so the levels are all set for you, so you kind of can't mess that up. Maybe we'll bring Chris in as a guest because he's on the phone. And again, there's no mixer. We're building a mixer dynamically by the fact that we've told the table that we need these various elements. And there's no talk show system. That's automatically been created. The computer knows I want to call Chris, then it generates a hybrid and lets me dial like that. The final type of source we have is a web mic. That's WebRTC from my device. So if I connect in like that remotely. Now that currently we're obviously in the same building, but I could be anywhere in the world, and I've now connected to the table, and I can both hear what's happening on the table, but I can also then contribute the audio directly from this device. So I've got remote guests on the phone, remote guests from any web browser, network audio sources, local microphones, I've got talkback, I've got preview, all the capabilities of a modern studio. But when we walk away at the end of the day, turn out the lights, all that's left behind is 4 microphones, 4 headphones, and a table.